Top 5 free tools that every small YouTuber needs. As a small YouTuber, if you want to grow fast on YouTube, you want to see more views on your videos, you need all these 5 tools I'm going to talk to you about in this video. My name is Debbie, and all I do on this channel is to discuss YouTube growth. Anything that will help you grow on YouTube, we discuss it here right on this channel. Let's get right into the video. Yeah, boy. So all these 5 tools I'm going to talk to you about is very important. You don't need to omit one. And all these tools I'm going to talk to you about are free. You can have access to all these tools all for free. As a small YouTuber, the first tool that you will need is Canva. It is one tool that you should not ignore if you're a small YouTuber. This will help you to design your thumbnail for your videos. Like I've been saying most of the time in my videos, your thumbnails are always your clickbait, or the first thing people see before they decide to click on your video or to scroll past your video. Now, if you're a small YouTuber, you will need to design a professional thumbnail for your video in order to attract views or clicks on your videos. One thing I like about Canva is that it has a user-friendly interface that every beginner can be able to use. They also have inbuilt template that you can just follow, just click on it, add your few designs to it, upload it on your videos, and you start using it as your thumbnail to attract clicks on your videos. Do not rely on the YouTube auto-generated thumbnails that you often get anytime you upload a video on YouTube. Those thumbnails are boring and does not attract any click on your video. So if you want to get clicks or you want to get more views on your videos as a small YouTuber, you will need to get Canva. Just sign up with your email. You don't need any money to sign up. They have the free plan and the premium plan. But since I started using Canva, I've always been on the free plan. You can also use a free plan to design your thumbnail for your videos. And in designing your thumbnails, just use both text and also use 3 to 5 words maximum on your thumbnails. Now, to access Canva, just go to your browser and type Canva and follow the steps to sign up. When you sign up, just go to the search and type YouTube thumbnail. Now, when you type the thumbnail, you're going to see inbuilt template and also get a blank template. Choose any of these options. If you use the blank template, meaning you're going to design the template from scratch. But if you use the inbuilt template, meaning that you are going to design one of the existing templates and use. If you don't know how to design, then I would advise you to use a inbuilt template for the meantime till you get used to the interface. Then you can use the blank template to design your own template. Another tool that you will need as a small YouTuber is TubeBuddy, because it helps you research keywords and tags for SEO. With this, it can help you to know titles that can actually rank and get views on YouTube. And they also have the keyword explorer that you can use to test your title first before uploading it. So if you are not too sure of the title you are providing for your video, you use a keyword explorer that comes with a TubeBuddy to test your title first before you finally publish it on YouTube. Now, another tool that I love using is VidIQ. They also have a free plan and the premium plan as well. I've been using this tool for a while now, and all I've been on is a free plan. But if you want other features, you can go for the premium plan. The reason why you need VidIQ is that it helps you know trendy videos and also know your competitors' data in your niche. Okay, when this tool gather this information for you, you can be able to know what video is trending, how to optimize your video and get views on your video as a small channel. Now, having this tool helps you to copy what is already existing, not to guess what you think is existing. You understand? If a keyword or a particular title is already working and it's gaining views or trending, you just hop on it and also go with the buzz. You understand? But if you don't use any tool for your YouTube videos, we are going to really struggle before you grow on YouTube, because you really know what is working. You will not have be able to get any tool to use for your SEO or any other thing. So you will need tools as a small YouTuber to grow. Wow! Now, another thing I like about VidIQ is that I often use the daily ideas feature to come out with my video ideas. So all the time I don't run out of video ideas. I always get fresh ideas that I make videos on. That is the same thing applies to you as a small YouTuber. If you are now planning or you're already into YouTube, you need to use the VidIQ so that you can have access to all these features. Now, this video is not a paid or a sponsored video. Because because I use these tools and it's helping me, that's why I decided to talk about some of these tools. So it is not a paid or a sponsored video. Okay, now the next tool that you will need as a small YouTuber is remove.bg or any other background image remover AI to remove the background of your images before you use them for your thumbnail. Imagine I'm using just this background for my thumbnail. It's not attractive enough for people to click on my video. So anytime you take a shot for your thumbnail, use the remove.bg or any background image remover to remove the background of your images before you combine them with Canva to create a clean, professional thumbnail for your video. Now, whenever you create a thumbnail that looks clean, that looks professional, it attracts clicks to your video. So as a small channel, do not ignore this tool, remove.bg, because I use this tool a lot to remove my background images before I finally use the image to create my thumbnail. Another tool that you need as a small YouTuber is keywords everywhere. I'm happy I'm sharing all these tools with you because I use these tools a lot, and I've made a detailed discussion about all these tools in my previous video. So make sure you click on that video after watching this video and watch, so that you can be able to know how to use each of these tools very well to be able to optimize your video to get more views on YouTube. Now, keywords everywhere gives you search volume inside YouTube and also on Google. How many people are searching for a particular keyword on YouTube, and also helps you to know whether those keywords have high search volume, also searchable on YouTube or on Google, and at the same time whether those keywords are low competition keywords or high competition keywords. If you find out that those keywords are high competition keywords, you don't go for it as a small YouTuber. But if you find out that those keywords are low competition keywords, you grab it and start making videos on it to help you rank on either YouTube or on Google. Okay, so you need keywords everywhere in order to start getting traction on YouTube. Now, another thing that you need to get as a small YouTuber in order to make your work easy on YouTube is the YouTube Studio app. Yeah, the YouTube Studio app helps you to access your YouTube Studio anywhere you go in order to be able to study your video analytics, reply to comment, and also check your video performance on YouTube. It's very handy because it's always on your phone. So if you don't have the YouTube Studio app on your phone, go to your Play Store right now or your App Store and download it, because it will help you to be able to do a lot at a time. Even when you don't have your computer with you, you can be able to access so much information on your YouTube Studio using the YouTube Studio app. So as a small YouTuber, you don't do away with the YouTube Studio app. I know we've made a video telling you don't upload video through the app, but you still need the app if you want to optimize, or if you want to be on top of the game. You need a desktop version, and you also need the Studio app in order to be able to do certain things fast, or be able to study your analytics in a glance. These free tools that we just discussed can save you time and can also make your video look professional, and also help your channel to grow from one stage to the other without spending any money. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel, because that's the only thing you can do to support me on this channel. Now, if you have missed a previous video that I created on how to copy SEO titles ethically to grow your video, that video is popping up right now. Click on it and go and watch. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.